Well, you realize that there are plenty of people who can probably sign their names but not read and write, so that won't establish anything. And that if we don't hear the sound, it could very well be him writing the word D after somebody there says, the way you spell it is D-U-W-A-P.
Jeffrey never asked you to do those drive-by shootings, did he?
He ain't even know.
Jeffrey Williams ever tell anyone to murder someone?
I would told him he wasn't like that. He ain't get involved in stuff like that.
Jeffrey Williams even know about the killing of Donovan Thomas until it was broadcast afterwards.
Afterwards, obviously.
Day 137 of the Young Thug YCL RICO trial was annoying. Brian Steele cross-examines Quindary Zachary and separates Thug from a lot of the shootings. And of course the judge also yells at Miss Love a few times. I don't think there's been a day where she hasn't yelled at Miss Love recently. Hit subscribe on the channel membership. Let's go, boys. First look at Thug on day 137. He's got the green suit on. It's crazy how he's like still laughing. Think about that. You've been in jail for 2 years, fighting this case. 2.5 years, actually. Brian Steele cross on Quindary Zachary. This is huge. It's one of their big witnesses.
We're 15, Jeffrey would have been about 17, 18, fair to say?
Yes.
And was Jeffrey interested in music at that time?
Objection, Your Honor. Speculation.
Overruled.
Foundation.
Overruled.
Yes, he was. He was already rapping.
17 years of age you are, okay?
Yes.
Did Jeffrey's popularity grow?
Yes.
In music, I'm talking about music.
I think it grew fast, yeah.
Okay. And is it fair to say that the speed on which it grew came out of, it broadened it beyond the little area in Atlanta that you were living and that you knew Jeffrey?
Yes.
From your observation, how popular were those songs? How many views, and you don't have to give a number, but how did you hear on the radio? Tell the jurors.
That's all you heard?
Objection, Your Honor. That's compound and it calls for speculation, and there's not a foundation for his ability to say how popular it was. He can talk about his personal knowledge or feeling about it, but not everyone else.
That's what the question I understood to be, personally.
Tell the jurors.
That's all you heard everywhere you turn?
Everywhere you turn, that's what you heard.
Yes.
Music-wise, you're saying.
Yes.
Judge shoots down Miss Love's first objection.
Do you know a song called Lifestyle?
Yes.
Tell the jurors the popularity through your own observation of Lifestyle.
That song took over the world. Like, everybody loved the song.
And by 2013, 14, and 15, you met, in approximately August 2014, you met Kenneth Copeland. Fair to say?
Yes.
He and you became close friends. True?
Not close, but yeah.
Okay. While Jeffrey is, he's in the studio all the time if he's not touring. Is that true?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. Speculation, unless he has personal knowledge of Mr. Williams.
Have you seen Jeffrey in the studio?
A lot.
Okay. And while these crimes are going on that the jurors heard about, drive-by shootings, you did that, right?
Objection, Your Honor, as to misrepresentation about, or vagueness rather.
Vagueness sustained.
You did drive-by shootings that you discussed with this jury, right?
That I'm convicted of, yes.
Okay. And Jeffrey never asked you to do those drive-by shootings, did he?
He ain't even know.
Okay.
Bro, what are we doing here? He ain't even know? That puts a wrench in the state's whole theory, dude.
Jeffrey, you knew by 2013, 14, 15, he is touring outside of Atlanta all the time. Is that true?
Objection, vague.
Sustained.
Do you know if he's touring in 2013 outside Atlanta?
So I think what he's going for here is to show that Jeffrey had a career and was doing bigger things than the criminal side of all this. And that's what his focus was. It wasn't the streets no more or anything like that.
Do you know if he's touring outside Atlanta in 2014?
Yes.
How about 15?
Yes.
That by March of 2015, while Jeffrey's on the tour, Kenneth Copeland was not getting along with Shellkel, or you know who Shellkel is?
I have the name, yeah.
Okay. They were not getting along. True?
Objection would call for speculation.
Sustained.
And it was violent. True?
Yeah.
They would shoot at each other at times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And Kenneth Copeland told you that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Kenneth Copeland stole from Donovan Thomas. You're aware of that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So he's going the route of Woody did all this. Woody killed Nut, which a lot of people truly believe that. I don't know anymore. This is all fucking stupid. I'm gonna be honest, I'm on 2 hours of sleep. So if I'm a little lower energy today, that's why. I'm sorry.
And he took his identification. Remember that?
I think it was some jewelry or something like that.
Okay. Mr. Copeland also took the peanut chain. Remember that?
Yeah. I don't know what it was. I just remember something about some jewelry.
It was jewelry. All right. Also includes Kenneth Copeland being beaten, embarrassed at Club Crucial on January 6, 2015. If you don't remember the date, just say I don't remember.
I remember that. I remember him getting fined. I don't remember the date.
Okay.